So here I have a lot of stuff that I've been futzing around with, trying to come up with hairpiece ideas. This is leather, and these beads were these ornate things I purchased, had found somewhere in some craft store, and they were sticky backs, but I took the sticky back off and then just glue gunned. I think this one's kind of pretty. Then I have my little bag of leather here that I've used throughout the years, and I cut out 2 hearts and then found some of these. I put the pearls in the middle. That was kind of cute. And this was a cluster. I think it was a pin. And I took the pin off and I put it on this purple hair clip. I'm going to give that one to a friend. So I know she likes purple and those colors. That'll be fun. And this one also I'm going to give to her because she likes bright colors. This was a ribbon, cloth ribbon just somebody made. And this is it's not really for hair, but I guess you could get away with it. It's not a clip. It's more like a temporary hold your hair in place thing, but maybe she can use it. This one is just 2 jean hearts, glued them together so they're firmer, and then put the ribbon and then the rose. Like that one too. And this I saved. This was from my wedding. We had a bunch of these butterflies, and some of the girls liked them and some of the girls didn't. But I thought, well, I'll just put it on there. It's simple. And yeah. So now, this I did a while ago. It's the string from embroidery. And I just wrapped it around on both sides. I can't even remember how I did that. And then I left a little tail. I'm braiding it. Some girls like that. They have a little tail hanging down. These are just to get you some ideas. These are little things that I just have collected. This is my daughter's name. And I thought, oh, maybe I can do something today with these. These little guys I used for reindeer noses. I was thinking this would be fun, little pom-poms. But I was thinking, how could I, like a caterpillar, or like a little girl. This is an old clip. The thing with these is that when you're using the hot glue, then you have to make sure it's pulled away or it'll stick. Now let's see how fast I can do this one. This is election day. Everything on the news is about the election. It's pretty boring after a while. But it's very historic. Little fuzzies. Fuzzy clip. Should stay on there pretty well. Too bad I didn't have alternate colors. Ooh, that's hot. Girls on top of it. It's done. So now with those on, I found some dark blue, kind of variegated blue and light blue silky string, so it's kind of fuzzy, silky, so I thought if I wrapped it between fuzzy balls, that might kind of look cool. So that's what I did. And I think I did it twice, so it was pretty thick like that. And then I just glue gunned the last bit in place and then cut off the string that was left over. So didn't quite turn out to be a caterpillar, but I don't know, I think I like it. Leave a comment, tell me if you liked it. And here's all the other ones. I'm just going to put them together so you can see. Save your little knick-knack treasures and you'll be able to make something fun with them. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.